Hey guys, good to see you all. So today I'm going to be doing like a little review on this set I got from NYX or NYX, whatever you want to call it. I got it as a birthday present from a friend. This is called the Ready Prep Go kit. I've done all my makeup with NYX makeup and it's looking really good. I mean, this is like a glam night out kind of look, but I'm really liking it. So I'll link the tutorial down below. I don't know which one's going to come out first, so you can see the tutorial on this if you wanted to know how to do this look. It is using all NYX products, including these, so I can give you a bit of a rundown of what I think. I'll just open it on up. It's in a really cute little package, and you can actually just take like the lining out and you can use this for like a travel makeup bag, which I think is really useful. And then there are 7 products inside. So I'll start from the beginning. So to start, we've got the Pore Filler Primer. I have really enlarged pores and obviously nothing gets rid of pores, but sometimes these kind of primers do help with applying makeup. It comes with in a squeezy tube and it is quite a dry, thick formula, which is kind of my favourite for this kind of primer. And my straight up review is that I did actually notice quite a difference. I would say more than the Benefit primer, Professional, because I've used that for years. I've got loads of bottles of that, but I would say this did a better job. I kind of like couldn't really see any pores here and on my nose. My cheeks are the deepest, so I can never really get rid of them. But I really, really like this. I think it's quite a reasonable price as well if you get the full size. So I'd recommend this one. Then we tried the Born to Glow primer, and this kind of made me laugh at first because it was basically pure glitter, and it's just going to be covered by foundation anyway. That's kind of what it looks like. I'll see if I can swatch it for you. So that's it, kind of barely rubbed out. But it feels nice and light, and I don't think it really affected the foundation on top of it because it dries out completely. But it just leaves like a really light shimmer. But you know, I don't know, maybe it has made my face look more luminous. I guess as foundation starts to wear down through the day, the glitter's gonna start coming through. So I actually like this a lot more than I thought. I wouldn't say it's like a necessity, but yeah, I did actually really like this. Next, we've got the NYX Control Freak Eyebrow Gel. This is really weird stuff. I did say in the tutorial as well. It kind of looks like children's glue, and it really does smell like it as well. I do tend to prefer coloured brow gels, just because, I don't know, I feel like it adds a bit of extra dimension, but it felt nice on my brows. My brows look more natural than they normally do, and I actually really like that because I don't like it when I end up putting like a block colour on. But yeah, my lashes don't feel like really hard, but they definitely feel like they are not moving. So far so good. I think this is a pretty good product. It smells a bit gross, but I like it. Then we use the HD Eyeshadow Base, and I like this. It comes with a doe foot applicator, as you can see, and it was really nice and it kind of helped the eyeshadows cling. I've got very oily eyelids, so even, well, I've never met an eyeshadow base that will literally keep my eyeshadows from creasing all day. It doesn't happen. So we'll see how this one goes. For me, it's just useful to have something that helps your colours cling to the eye, because it's really annoying when your powders are just like flying around. So I like that one so far. Then we've got a mini HD finishing powder. So this is in kind of like a translucent clear shade. It gave a lot of kickback when I put my brush in it, but as you can see, it's a very finely milled powder. I used it all over my face. I used it under my eyes, and it did a pretty good job. I wouldn't say it's like my favourite powder, but it looks really flawless. I mean, it hasn't made my under eyes look too cakey, and I put quite a lot of concealer under there. I'm just double checking, and it does actually look really natural, so I do like this one as well. Is there anything she doesn't like? Second to last was this First Base Primer Spray. I mean, how effective are primer sprays? Let's be honest. There's no way that you're going to really gauge how useful it is. Excuse me. But it felt nice, and I mean, I wouldn't say it's a necessity. I wouldn't buy it for myself, but it's cool to use every now and then. Maybe for when you like doing a full night out makeup glam and you need that eyeshadow to last all night. Not just eyeshadow, makeup in general. And then last but not least is the Matte Finishing Spray. I actually just about forgot about this and then sprayed it on right at the end. And I mean, I wouldn't say my face looks particularly matte. I know I have got highlighter, but where I haven't got the highlighter, my skin just looks kind of like demi-matte. I did powder it, but it's not taken, I don't know, the natural glow away. I still look quite glowy, so I didn't find like I sprayed it and then bam, my face was really, really matte. But we'll see if it helps my makeup last a long time. Generally, I mean, I use the Urban Decay one and that does really, really work because I'm quite oily, so makeup does seem to kind of disappear on me. I did actually try this out the other day and it felt a bit strange on my skin. After a little while, it felt quite oily in itself, like more oily than if I'd have not worn it at all. So we'll see about this one. I'm not 100% sure. The others I do really like, to be fair. So that's it. That's the whole 7 products. I don't know how much this costs. I'd have to double check and let you guys know. But I bet you it's a really, really good deal, considering you get so many primer products there and they're all different things that you can use. It's not like you could only use one at a time sort of thing. You could do, like I did, you could use all of them on your face for a look. So I really, really like that. I think NYX is a great brand. It's bringing range and quality to the drugstore, and I know America had it for so long and the UK didn't have it. And I'm so glad we've got it now because it's just got such great formulations, quality, and the range of colours and products. I just think it's amazing. You could make a whole makeup kit from this and work from it, definitely. So yeah, that's my review on the Ready Prep Go set from NYX. I really, really like it. I would recommend it. I think all the products are worth the money and I really like them. So thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed. Maybe I've convinced you to spend a bit of money. Sorry if you don't want to do that, but you know what these videos are like. Once you start watching hauls and stuff, I literally can't stop. So yeah, thanks guys for watching and I'll see you all soon. Take care, bye.